Ever wondered how video games, movies, and virtual reality craft those mind-bending 3D worlds? It's not magic, it's AI. Today, we're exploring a breakthrough from Tencent's Hunyuan3D team, Hunyuan3D 2.5. This isn't just an update, it's a leap into a future where AI builds 3D worlds so realistic, you'll question what's digital and what's real. Let's start with the basics. 3D generation is like digital sculpting, designing objects, characters, or environments from scratch. But here's the challenge, making them look real is a nightmare. Traditional tools. They're slow, error-prone, and often produce blurry, unnatural results. Enter AI. Hunyuan3D 2.5 uses diffusion-based AI, a technique where the model learns from millions of 3D examples to dream up shapes and textures. Think of it as a creative assistant that doesn't just guess, but understands the physics of form. But previous models struggled with two key issues: blurry geometry and plastic-like textures. Imagine a car with perfect proportions, but paint that looks like it was slapped on with a brush. That's where Hunyuan3D 2.5 shines. Let's break down its innovations. First, shape generation. The team trained a model called LATTICE on a massive dataset of high-quality 3D objects. This isn't guesswork, it's like teaching a supercomputer to sculpt with precision. The result? Objects with razor-sharp edges, seamless surfaces, and microscopic details. Think a hand with exact finger counts, or a bicycle wheel with realistic, individually rendered spokes. Then comes texture generation. Here's where the magic happens. Hunyuan3D 2.5 uses physical-based rendering, PBR, to create materials that mimic real-world physics: metal reflecting light, wood showing weathering, fabric wrinkling naturally. They also introduced a multi-view architecture, allowing the AI to analyze objects from every angle simultaneously. This eliminates the seams and inconsistencies of older models, ensuring textures flow seamlessly across complex surfaces. But here's the real breakthrough: their dual-phase resolution enhancement. It's like a painter who first sketches a portrait and then adds every freckle. The AI first generates a rough 3D shape, then refines it in two stages. The first phase focuses on large-scale structure, while the second tackles fine details, like a sculptor chiseling a marble statue. This two-step process lets the model handle ultra-detailed objects without losing clarity, whether it's a grain of sand or a sprawling cityscape. The results? The team tested it on everything from simple shapes to complex scenes, and it outperformed competitors across the board. Textures look photorealistic, shapes are clean, and even tiny details, like a bowl in a busy scene, pop with accuracy. Why does this matter? Imagine game developers building entire worlds in minutes, filmmakers designing hyper-realistic effects, or designers prototyping products faster. Plus, it's open source, so the entire creative community can build on it. Next time you see a video game character or movie effect that feels too real, you might be looking at AI like Hunyuan3D 2.5 at work. The future of 3D isn't just digital, it's alive.